Have you ever used the computers in the house?
No,
Ever?
no, I don't use the computers in the house.
Okay. We've had to seize them under warrant. Hey!
Like, fucking, I just, I don't even in the house!
Sit!
Like, fuck! What about my mom?
We're here to talk about it. You losing your cool is not helping.
I'm sorry, I've been trying, like, I got,
Put the chair upright.
sorry. Sorry. Won't happen again.
Curtis, you're upset right now because of one night in jail. Are you aware of the sentencing for a firearms offense? We're taking this really seriously. The minimum sentence for a firearms offense is 4 years in jail. Do you realize that? How are you going to react if you have to go to jail? We're trying to provide you an opportunity here to get ahead of this and provide your side of the story.
I'm not going to jail.
Talk to me about that.
I'm not gonna be stuck in a room like that.
Well, talk to me.
Last time I ever fired a firearm was last year.
Did you meet this girl?
I didn't meet a girl. I did not meet a girl.
Did you text her? Truthfully, did you text her? Yes or no?
I texted a girl.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for telling me the truth. You want to shake my hand? Thank you.
But I never fired a firearm.
Okay,
I never threatened anyone.
so what did happen?
Passed out.